Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to find answers for Kahoot quizzes the right way. Whether you're studying or reviewing, this method will help. Just remember to use it responsibly. Let's get started. First, go to thekahoot.com and log in. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the discovery. In the search bar, type the title or the keywords. If the quiz is public or free, you can open it and see the questions and the answers. If you created the quiz and would like to review the answers, go to the library tab, find the quiz, and you can just click the quiz and you may see the answers as well. And there you have it. You now know how to find answers for Kahoot quizzes. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.